We are striving against spiritual forces, not against the flesh and blood around us. I have to, and I don't know about you, maybe you guys are much better at this than I am. I have to remind myself of this kind of thing constantly. I probably watch too much news. I'll admit that to you. I probably watch too much news. And then what happens when I watch too much news? Well, they just need to, right? We begin wrestling against flesh and blood. Paul says, you wrestle against what's happening in the unseen. We need to learn how to wrestle against what's happening behind what we see. This is important for the follower of Jesus Christ because who and what we see around us become easy targets for our anger and anxiety and our fear, even what happens in our own flesh. But guys, the enemy can use that. The enemy uses that constantly, causing all the wrong kinds of division and strife and anger. In fact, guys, so much of what is going on literally in our culture right now is exactly the kind of chaos the enemy wants to create between us. This is an example of the deception of our enemy. And this is part of why I say if we have eyes to see it, the demonic activity is clear to us. Recreating hatreds between entire classes of people in order to perpetuate this downward spiral of chaos and hate. This is demonic. But Christians can break this cycle by being able to see behind the flesh and blood to our real enemy and what he is up to. Every one of those people whom you disagree with or whom I see as causing chaos in our culture is a human being created in the image of God and for whom Jesus died. And I have to remember that.